Good morning friends. So welcome to Ram CR Guru YouTube classes. Okay. So first of all, number series introduction part and what are the types of types also I will explain. So now see once what is the definition of number series. So a series of numbers which maintains common characteristic property throughout the series is called as a number series. Suppose one example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So now here throughout the series means here what is the difference in between plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 and again here also plus 2 means here also plus 2 I need. So means 11. So a series of numbers which maintains having common characteristic property throughout the series. So that is called as a number series. Okay. So now here in the number series means numbers are involving in the throughout the series. Okay. So first one is standard series. What is the standard series? So if it is standard series means suppose for example the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash means the next number is 6. So these are set of natural numbers now. So similarly for example set of even numbers means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 dash. So next number is 10 now. Suppose if it is set of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dash means it is 11. So these are suppose if it is next 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 dash, this is nothing but 13. So primes. So these are called as okay set of standard series. Type 2 these are called difference series. So difference series there are two types will be. One is constant difference. One is constant difference series. Another one is variable difference series. Constant difference series and variable difference series. So for example here suppose if it is 5, 8, 11, 14 dash. Okay, see once you need to observe here difference is it is 3. It is 3 difference. Next it is 3 difference. 17 will come here. Only that number 3 only difference will be 2 successive terms difference is only 3. So that's why this is called as constant difference. And again similarly what is the variable difference means here 5, 6, 8, 11 dash. Once you observe this. So here what is the difference here? Your difference is plus 1. Your difference is plus 2. Your difference is plus 3. So next I want the difference is plus 4 means here 11 plus 4 is nothing but 15. So here plus 1 difference, plus 2 difference, plus 3 difference and plus 4 difference means plus 4 difference means 15 will come. So here only that successive terms differences are constant. That's why it is called as constant difference. So the successive terms difference is variables. So it is called as variable difference will be. Okay. So this is about product series and the type. Product series means the two successive terms some product will be relation will be there. So now for product series also there are two types will be there. So first of all first one is product series and the first one is constant product series, and again this is the second one is variable product series. So constant product series and variable product series. So now if it is constant product series, what is the relation means 3, 3, 6, 12 dash will come. So suppose if it is this two relation means it is 3 ones are 3. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. So not for this. I'll give one more example. 3, 6, 12, 24 dash. Suppose if it is this relation is here 3 into 2, here 6 into 2, here 12 into 2 and next 24 into 2. So that answer will become 48. So here into relation. So into 2 successive terms product means it is constant product will be. So that's why this is an example for in the product series, constant product series. So next in the what is the variable product series means, so now take 3, 3, 6, 8, and dash. So once it observe here, so in this 3 and 3 means 3 ones are 3. So next 3 into 2, next 6 into 3, so next 18 into 4 will come. So 18 into 4 means 8 fours are 32 and 4 1 for 72 will come. So now here into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4 relation will be there, that is called as variable product series. So product series there are two types. One is constant product and second one is variable product. Okay, constant product means successive terms product will be a constant relation. Successive terms product will be variable product is there. So that's why. So these are the two types of so next series. Type 4 is square series. So first of all, so when you are preparing for square series, so everybody must and should prepare first of all 1 to 50 squares thoroughly. 1 to 50 squares. Everybody learn 1 to 50 squares. Okay. After that, so what are the types of sums? It will be means, suppose if it is n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next value I need to find out. Okay. So based on that, first of all, suppose if it is n square series will be. N square series will be means here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So next what will come again here? So 25 means here next 6 will come, no? So 6 square means 36 will come. So this is n square method. N square method. Suppose if it is next n square minus 1 series will be. N square minus 1 means n square minus 1 means this is 0, 3, 8, 15, 24 dash means this one will get 35 will come. Why? Because n square, this series is called as n square minus 1 series. Okay, next one more series is n square plus 1 series. N square plus 1 means n square plus 1 means here 2, 5, 10, 17, 26 dash. Okay, that is nothing but 37 will come. Why? Because already n square values will be there. N square 1, so that is 2. N square is 4, so that value will become 5. Okay. So next suppose if it is n square minus n relation. N square minus n relation means 1 square minus 1 means what? That is nothing but 0. Next it is n square minus 4, 2 square minus 2 means that value will become 2. And again suppose next value is 6, next 12, 20. So what is the next value will come? So means that is 6 square minus 6 means that is nothing but 31, 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 2, 3 square minus 3, 4 square minus 4, and 5 square minus 5, and 6 square minus 6 will come. So last type of sum is n square plus n relation. Suppose if it is 1 square plus 1 means 2 only. So similarly 2 square plus 2 means that is 6 only. Suppose 3 square plus 3 means 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 square plus 4 is nothing but 20. 4 square 16 plus 4 is 20. 5 square plus 5 is 30. And suppose next 6 square plus 6 in the sense 42 will come. So not only for this, just I am giving only for if it is n value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will happen? So this is the square series types. Square series types. Okay. So based on that, they are giving any type of sequence. So means if it is nearby perfect squares, any series will be there means. So what is the characteristic property? First you need to identify. So that is when it is n square plus n square minus 1, n square plus 1, n square minus n, or n square plus n. So only for based on this methods only, the squares of the square series, they need to ask any competitive exam questions. Cubes series. So if it is cubes series, so overall for example cube series, first before you finding the cube series means, so everybody try to line 1 to 20 cubes orally. Prepare everybody orally 1 to 20 cubes must. 1 to 20 based on 1 to 20 cubes between relations only they need to give. So what are the types means? So suppose if it is n value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I am taking. So that is n value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6 will come. No. Suppose I want here n cube I am taking. N cube relation means 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 64, 125. Next 2161 will come. No? 216 will come. So similarly, next relation is here n cube minus 1 relation. N cube minus 1, what will happen? If it is n cube minus 1 means 1 cube minus 1 means 0. So the next 7, 26, 63, 124 dash means that is nothing but 215 will come. 215 will come. So similarly, if it is n cube plus 1 relation next, already n cube will be there. Now just adding plus 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2, 9, 27 plus 1 is 28, 65, 126, next value will become 218 only. Okay, next 126, 216 means next 217, n square plus 1 more. So 217 will come. So next similarly, if it is n cube minus n relation, what will be happen? So n cube minus n means what will come here? 0, 6, 24, 60, 120 dash. So next it is nothing but 210. 210 will come. So similarly, n cube plus n relation. N cube plus n relation is just 1 cube plus 1 is nothing but 2 kada. So 2, 10, 30, 68, 130. So next 222 will come. So 30, 222 will come. So next similarly, one more relation here, n cube minus n square relation. N cube minus n square relation means here 0, 4, 80, 48, 100 dash will come means here 180 will come. Next, so finally n cube plus n square relation. N cube plus n square means 2, 12, 36, 80, 150 dash means this is 252 will come. Okay, so now actually, so here first of all here n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6 value will come now. So based on that, so these are the cube series methods will come. So if it is n cube minus 1, n cube plus 1, n cube minus n cube plus n cube minus n square, n cube plus n square will come. So this is the process. Clear everybody? So this is about, so next type 6, last one is prime series. So if it is prime series means based on first of all how to find out the 1 to 100 prime numbers. 1 to 100 between prime numbers. Now I want to explain you. So simple one method also will be there. So simply first of all, so the prime number series is, what are the prime numbers means here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So this is 1 to 20 between prime numbers. So after that, so now here 20, after 20, 23, 29, 31, 31, 37, 31, 37, 41, 43, 49, not 49, 47. So this is 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. So next 83, 89 and 97. So now these are the overall 25 prime numbers. Just see one format. If it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. So next 23, 29, 53, 59. 31, 37, 61, 67. 41, 43, 47. 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So this is the process to find out, to finding 1 to 100 prime numbers. So next I want to explain what are, suppose first of all, for example, I want to take P. So P means here 2, 3, 5, 7. Next number will come 11 only, no? So these are the prime numbers, no? 2, 3, 5. So just I'm giving one order. So based on the particular order, any type of prime numbers, so sequences, they need to ask successive terms means you need to find out. So first of all here, P square series will be how will come. So P square means prime number series means, suppose if it is 4, 9, 25 and 49. So next what will come? 121 will come. So 121 will come. Suppose if it is next to P cube relation. P cube relation is 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 5 cube is 125, 7 cube is 343 and 11 cube means 1331 will be. Okay. So next relation will be, suppose if it is P minus 1 relation, sometimes they need to ask. P minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is 1, no? 3 minus 1 is 2 and 5 minus 1 is 4, 7 minus 1 is 6, 11 minus 1 is how much will come? 10 will come. Suppose if it is P plus 1 relation, means you are adding with 1 means 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 1 8, 11 plus 1 is 12 will come. Suppose here similarly, if it is P square minus 1 relation, what will be? P square minus 1. If it is P square minus 1, these are the P square, no? P square minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 minus 1 is 8, 25 minus 1 is 24, 49 minus 1 is 48, next 121 minus 1 is 120. So next similarly, if it is P square plus 1 relation, what will be happen? P square plus 1 means here P square will be there. So 4 plus 1, 5, 10, 26, 50, next 122 will come. Suppose next similarly like that, P square plus P, P square minus P. So next suppose if it is P cube plus P, next P cube minus P, similarly P cube plus P square, P cube minus P square and so on. So these type of sequences, so they need to ask for the common any competitive exams. Okay friends. So now overall types, six types of number series will be. So based on that, okay, so the particular sequence of number series, what is the common characteristic property will be there? First you need to identify. So after that, so definitely you will get it. So but in any competitive exams, minimum 3 to 5 questions will be like NTSC, Staff Selection Commission, SSC, so group exams, so many CAT exams, so GATE exam, so many exams, so nearly 3 to 5 questions will come. So that's why, so be careful to practice. So based on these methods, each type of sums, nearly 30 to 50 sums you have to practice. Definitely you will get good commanding on a particular number series topic. Okay, so next some other subtopic number series in the next video I want to explain you. Okay, until keep watching my channel. I wish you all the best. Till now who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share to your well wishers. I wish you good luck.